Make more money for the same actions. Does that sound good? Now that you're a member of our community, every day that you log in, additional funds will be added to your account. That's what we call a login reward. It's the easiest money you'll ever make. All you've got to do is log into your account. But it's your decision now on how much is added each day. It can be as little as 1 cent or as much as $6.50. There's nothing to buy to receive the higher sum. So which would you prefer, cents or dollars? The login reward as a free member, which is where you're at now, is just 1 cent. As an elite member, it's $5 for doing the same simple thing. Let me explain how this works. We have pools members can join, which allow them to message fellow members of the pool with their offers and opportunities, etc. Earn greater login rewards. We'll show you how much in a moment. Participate in our free monthly lottery, which can pay out thousands of dollars. You become a member of a pool by staking. A stake is like a deposit in a bank account, where the money is always yours. It's not a purchase. A bank pays you interest, usually a small annual percentage, unlikely to be as high as 5%, based on your deposit. A stake pays no interest, but it increases the value of your activity and results in a much higher return than you'll ever get from a bank. So in effect, you simply get paid more, much more, for completing the exact same tasks. All stakes are calculated in US dollars and all rewards are calculated in US dollars. However, our community currency is the WISA token. This is a unique cryptocurrency because it always has a guaranteed minimum value within our community, which can never go down. The only way is up, and WISA tokens are climbing steadily. It's rare that a month goes by without them increasing in value. And remember, they can never go down. Now, if you're new to cryptocurrencies, don't worry, we've got you back. You can deposit in US dollars and we'll convert it for you. It will cost a little more as we've got to cover the fees involved in collecting the US dollars and the time in making the trade from dollars into WISA tokens and the staff to do it. But it'll still leave you with at least 25% profit in month 1 and 50% or more in subsequent months. It's quick, it's easy, and I recommend it for beginners. And if you are competent with cryptocurrencies, you can buy WISA at a fair trading price in the Waves exchange. The price will probably be very close to our guaranteed minimum value, and that way you know you will always get value for your money. So back to the pools. We have 6 stake pools, and the amount that you see in brackets is if you deposit in US dollars and we have to make the conversion to WISA for you. So pool 1 is a stake of just $2. That's it. You deposit $2 and you're going to be earning 10 times as much as a free member. It's $2.50 if you pay using a credit card or a PayPal account. Pool 2 is an additional stake of $3, so you would be in pools 1 and 2, and the total would be $5, but it's an additional $3. Pool 3, an additional $5 for a total of $10. Pool 4, an additional $10 for a total of $20. Pool 5 is an additional $20 for a total of $40. And Pool 6, which makes you an elite member, is an additional stake of $60 for a total of $100, or $125 in total if you're paying with US dollars. Each pool after Pool 1 is an add-on, and to join any pool other than Pool 1, you must first be a member of the preceding pool. So you can't say, oh, I want to be a Pool 3 member and not join Pools 1 and 2. You must join them all in order. Joining all 6 pools, as I stated, is a total of $100, $125 if you're paying in US dollars, and you become an elite member with additional privileges. But let me show you how your login reward increases. It's 1 cent as a free member, which you are now. Pool 1 for just $2, 10 cents a day, 10 times as much. Join Pool 2, and your total reward is 25 cents a day, an additional 15 cents. Pool 3, a total of 50 cents a day. Join Pool 4 and you're now making a total of $1 a day for the same act, just logging into your account. Pool 5 increases your login reward to $2 a day, and the top level elite member is when you're in Pool 6, that's all pools 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you will receive $5 a day just for logging in. And these are, as I say, the total rewards, not additional rewards. So you don't earn all these added up. This is what you earn once you are able to be a member of the highest pool that you're in. And the login rewards for each pool level are set to provide every participating member with a 50% profit each month. That's just like turning your profit level, your income, up to high. Dialing for profit. As an example, Pool 1 members stake just $2 and they receive 10 cents a day for each day that they log in. In an average month, that's 30 times 10 cents, which equals $3. $2 of that is getting your stake back. $1 is pure profit. $1 as a percentage of $2 is 50%. 50% profit in just 1 month. Example 2. Pool 6 members stake a total of $100 as you've seen, and they receive $5 a day for each day they log in. And in an average month, that's 30 times $5 is $150. 100 of that is getting your stake back. $50 pure profit just for logging into your account. And each pool is like a stepping stone to the next pool. And everyone wants to be a member of all 6 pools and become an elite as fast as possible. Why? Because they make much more money and get many additional benefits. Some of the additional benefits include, but they're not limited to, free rotation in the allocation of orphan members or from corporate advertising. So as an elite member, you're likely to see new members popping up in your downline, earning you extra commissions. You'll be able to participate in additional staking when we introduce our secondary staking, and that'll have monthly returns of up to 136.5%. At the time I'm recording this video, which is the 23rd of April 2020, that's not available, but it's on our to-do list and will probably be implemented within 8 to 10 weeks. You'll have the opportunity to participate in advertising co-ops, which will boost your downline, boost your income. And you'll be able to participate in the bonus competitions that we'll be running. As our bonus fund accumulates, we have to get rid of it, and we get rid of it to the members, and we get rid of it to the elite pool members through competitions to help grow our community. Now, in addition to the login rewards and additional messaging facilities, each pool has a randomly sorted matrix each month, which acts like a free lottery. This isn't like the matrix in a multi-level marketing plan. Although it may look the same, it's different because it's jumbled up every month. You can land anywhere in the matrix. You can be at the top or the bottom, in the middle, near the top, near the bottom, at the side. Wherever you land is totally random. It's not based on how many people you've introduced. It's not based on anything other than being a member of that pool. It's like being in a free lottery with a ticket that never expires, win or lose. In fact, you can't lose because it's free. So it's really win or not win. An example of a monthly randomly sorted matrix is something like we see here, because it's a 1x5 to infinity matrix. And this is a simple example. If we had just 156 members in a pool, and we've got many more than that already in some of our pools, it would look like this. There'd be one person right at the top, and that could be you. Or you could be one of the 125 down at the bottom. There'd be 5 people on the second level, 25 on the third, and 125 down at the bottom level. Now, if the example we just seen was for Pool 6, members would receive free an amount determined by the number of people below them. And in this example, that would mean that the person at the top, number 1, would receive over $1,500 as a free gift. The 5 people on that second level would receive $300 each as a free gift, and the 25 people on the third level would receive $50 each as a free gift. And of course, the people that landed on the bottom level this month, and could be anywhere next month, won't get anything because there's no one below them. As we grow, we'll soon pass 4,000 members in Pool 6, but with just 3,906 members in Pool 6, it would pay out as shown below. The person that lands in the top spot would receive over $7,800. The 5 people on the second level, over $1,500. 25 people on the third level, over $300. 125 people on the fourth level, $60 each. And 625 people on that fifth level would receive $10 each. And then there'd be 3,000 people that wouldn't get anything this month, but one of them could be at the top next month, and that's likely to be a bigger amount than this month. Because every month any member can be anywhere in any pool they've staked and receive a free payment. The more pools you are in, the more chances to win. 1 pool, 1 chance, 6 pool, 6 chances. And remember, this is a free addition to your login rewards, which already provide you with a 50% profit each month. So do it now. It is possible to log in each day as an unstaked member, and at the end of the month your total income will be transferred to your Visa wallet at the guaranteed minimum value. And that's calculated by a formula we have, which means it can never go down and only increase. You will have a minimum of $2 value for completing those first 3 tasks on the previous page. And that's enough to get you started and stake Pool 1 for the next month. And if that's all you can do because you simply can't raise just $2, it's okay. We're here to help you. But do it now if you can. Why? Because we're a community based on service, and you'll be serving and helping all members by expanding the pool numbers. You'll be helping your sponsor in 2 ways. He'll receive a 10% commission based on the amount you stake, and he'll also qualify for the Power of One bonus that can increase his total income by as much as 30%. I'm not going to talk about that in this video because it would make it too long. You can learn about it at a later stage. 3. You'll now be generating money for charities. This happens as a byproduct of you staking a pool. 4. You personally will make more money now, this month. Isn't that what you want? And 5. If you take a leap of faith and become an elite member within 48 hours for just $100 in Visa tokens or $125 in US dollars, you'll get an instant $25 cash back into your account. But you've got to act now. You've got to do it within the first 48 hours of registration. It just makes sense. It's moving your money from a miserable bank interest rate to a really safe high yield account. It's only a 1-month contract, and you can renew or not as you choose when the contract matures. Literally everybody renews. Who wouldn't when they're making 50% a month? But importantly, you will never earn more tokens per US dollar than you will earn this month, because Visa tokens are always climbing. You may earn the same amount of US dollars, you may earn more US dollars next month, but the tokens that you get for it will probably be less, and that means that the tokens that you're holding from what you make this month are going to be worth more next month, and the month after, and the month after. It's a really good investment, but you will never earn more tokens per US dollar than you will earn this month. Regret is the torture of knowing the things you should have done but didn't do. So just do it. Click the button below this video now, select the options that you want, add them to the cart. You don't need to buy them all individually. You can stake Pool 1, add it to the cart, stake Pool 2, add it to the cart, stake Pool 3, add it to the cart, stake Pool 4, add it to the cart, stake Pool 5, add it to the cart, stake Pool 6, add it to the cart. Go to the checkout. It'll show you your total. It'll be $125 if you've done that. If you pay with Visa tokens, it will cost you just $100 in Visa tokens. If you pay with a card or your PayPal account, it'll be $125 and we'll buy the WISA tokens for you and get you set up instantly. Just do it. God bless.